Crosby, get. Rissa, what are you doing? No, 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 no. You gotta put them in there. Can you put them in? No, put them in the dishwasher. Grandma just put them in the dishwasher. Is it yours? That's your spoon. Okay. Crosby, get out of our silverware. Get. Exactly what are you doing? Are you going to put them in the dishwasher? Sweetheart.